Hey guys, Colourpop here, and I'm outside today because it is so nice out here. But today I just wanted to do just a little talking with you guys and talk to you about the urge to buy. So, as you guys have seen, my extras drawer that I have been saving up for the whole year, I have literally three drawers full of stuff. I have one full drawer of makeup items, one full drawer, sorry, I have a kitty cat outside with me, one full drawer of skincare, and I have a full drawer of hair stuff. Like, why do I need that much? I don't. And then I found myself on the Ulta website because they had that sale for like the 13-piece free skincare and makeup set, and then you got the living proof stuff if you spent $75. And I was like, well, I've got a bunch of Ulta points. I'm not spending any cash right now because we're saving up for our cruise. We're going on it in less than a month. And I'm really not like indulging in food right now because, like I said, we're going on our cruise. So I'm like finding this urge to buy makeup because I don't want to buy food. I don't want to really do anything. I'm getting kind of bored around the house, and David's been working 12-hour days, so I don't know. I'm just getting this urge to buy, and I feel like every time that happens, I need to start coming on here and talking to you guys because that urge is getting really bad. And even when I had people over, like I had my mom and my cousin over today, and when they were hanging out, we went to Carter's soccer game. That was fun. And I still found myself going onto the Sephora website and seeing what new makeup palettes were out. Like, why do I need to do that? So here's the thing. I've noticed that all these YouTubers have been doing these makeup buying things for the holiday collections. And I find myself thinking, oh, I could totally do that. I could buy a couple of the holiday collections that I'm really interested in, testing them out and doing a review for you guys. But then I'm thinking, well, what if I hate that item? I am not a YouTuber that has 50,000 subscribers. I don't make money on this, you guys. I do this because it is a fun passion for me. It's something else for me to do besides clean the house, go for a walk, hang out with friends, hang out with my husband, go to work. So I'm finding this urge to want to buy and want to review and want to try and want to do makeup, but I have so much already, you guys, and that's why I'm project panning so many items. And I even just have a new one on the 14th of October that is like Cupid's or whatever, Cupid's bow project pan that I'm just doing on my Instagram. And I'm still finding myself thinking, wow, I should have used up these primers like forever ago because they're like 5 years old now. And then I'm thinking, but I have a million primers. So, by the way, I'm outside, so you can probably hear my neighbors because they live close. I know, Kitty. Where are you, new kid? Oh my God. This just happened. Kitty, don't jump down on me. Anyway, so I just wanted to come on here really quick and see what your guys' thoughts are on it. But right now I can definitely tell you that my urge to buy is stemming from not having any other indulgence right now. So my indulgences are makeup and my hobbies, and my hobbies consist of makeup and hanging out with my family and sometimes going for really long walks, but the weather has been so freaking cold lately that I haven't been able to go on my long walks, and that's okay. But I don't know how I feel right now. I just know that I don't need to buy anything else. I have bought so much already in the months of August and September. I will show you guys my Bob series very soon unless you've already seen it. But I just don't need to buy anymore. And I feel like it's almost wasting my money at this point if I keep buying, because I'm never going to get use out of the things that I already have that I want to use, and I'm never going to get use out of the new things that I'm going to buy before they expire, of course. And I don't know, it takes me forever to use stuff anyways because I'm so light-handed on everything I use. Is Kitty still above me? Nope, he's gone. Perfect. I don't know where he went. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you guys a little, thoughts for the day. Maybe that's what I'll call these. I'm gonna just start doing these anytime I have any random urge to film something and just talk to you guys. I think I'm just gonna do that and just call them thoughts of the day. We're not gonna have one every day, don't worry guys. But I just wanted to do a little impromptu. I'm literally holding my camera. I'm outside enjoying the weather because it's gonna be one of like the last nice days. Enjoying Kitty Cat. Can you guys see him? I love him. Anyways, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.